and welcome to the mathleague YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
All right, think we're now ready to go. This report is like almost done that I've gotten, and finally done. All right, I looked at the speeds, which are 150 divided by 100, which is 1.5 meters per second, 150 divided by 125, which is 1.2 meters per second, and 150 divided by 100, which is 1.5 meters per second. And I found the average speed to be 1.5 plus 1.2 plus 1.5, all that divided by 3, which is 1.4 meters per second.
Wait, that's wrong.
Wait, hold on. I took the average value of these speeds, summed them up, and then divided by 3. Isn't that how you do it?
Well, let's say we have two boxes each with 50 rings and another box with 100 rings. And here's a very silly looking way to not find the average number of rings per box. We don't find the average by doing 50 plus 100 divided by 2 equals 75 because that is very wrong. Instead, we add 50 plus 100 divided by 3, which is 200 over 3. So we're adding up the total number of rings and boxes first before we divide. And that's a weighted average.
Wait, but this is boxes with rings. Isn't speed completely different from that?
Well, speed is still a rate, so when you added those speeds together, you're essentially doing the same thing as that silly averaging method. The problem is that you're not taking into account these different distances and or the different times. So let's say that the hedgehog decides to travel at supersonic speed, for 600 meters per second just for the second trial. And that means that he travels the 150 meters in 0.25 seconds. He's really fast. So in your method, the average speed is 600 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 divided by 3. And that's 201 meters per second. On the other hand, my method would give 150 plus 150 plus 150. That's our total distance. And our total time is going to be 100 plus 0.25 plus 100, which is 200.25. So when we divide those two numbers, it's 450 divided by 100.25, and that's about 2.25 meters per second. So which one is closer to what the average speed should look like?
Oh, I see where you're coming from. Spending more time at slower speeds.
Right. So back to the original trials, the average speed would actually be our total distance, which is still 450, divided by the total amount of time that it's taken, which is 100 plus 125 plus 100. And when we do the math, that comes out to 18 over 13 meters per second.
And after we get the correct speed, we can just use the distance rate time formula to get how long it takes to cross the island, which is going to be 7,000 times 13 over 18, which is going to be 45,500 divided by 9 seconds, since we want a common fraction. Neat. Thanks.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.